So differentiation, most important, very short answer type of questions, 2 marks questions. Find the derivative of e power x plus sin x into cos x. So let I am taking the given function as y is equals to e to the power x plus sin x into cos x. Sin x into cos x. Now differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, then d by dx of y left side is equals to, we write the d by dx for both the terms. We have the first term, write the plus as it is, and write the d by dx for second term also, that is sin x into cos x. Okay, in the second term we have u and v, the function in the form of u and v. So d by dx of u into v is equals to u outside d by dx of v plus v outside d by dx of u. What is the uv formula, ma? D by dx of uv is equals to, tell me the formula, repeat the formula once. D by dx of uv is equals to
d by dx is equal to u d by dx into v plus v d by dx into u.
Yes, u d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. Okay, means we are writing u outside, one function outside, and differentiating the second function outside, differentiating the first function. Okay, and d by dx of e power x formula here, e power x only. Okay, so that is nothing but dy by dx, writing as it is equals to e power x, the formula is e power x only. So here uv sin x is outside, writing the sin x outside, and d by dx of cos x. Okay, after that writing the cos x outside and differentiating the sin x. Okay, so now this is equals to e to the power x as it is and sin x as it is, d by dx of cos x. What is d by dx of cos x? D by dx of cos x is minus sin x and plus cos x as it is. I am writing d by dx of sin x. What is derivative of sin x?
Min
Cos x into cos x. So that is nothing but e power x and minus sin square x plus cos square x plus cos square x. This is equals to e to the power x as it is. Cos square x minus sin square x, we can write it as cos 2x. We can write it as cos 2x. Cos 2 theta formula it is. It is cos 2 theta formula. Okay, here this is the final answer. And here since cos 2 theta is equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta is the formula. Sin square theta is formula here. Okay, and after that we are using the differentiation formula also. Okay, here we used the derivative formula d by dx of cos x formula as minus sin x. Direct formula only it is, and d by dx of sin x formula is cos x. Sin x is cos x, and here we used the another formula, that is d by dx of e to the power x. E power x formula is e power x only. Okay, the differentiation, the formula, whatever we have, formula are very, very important. Okay, find the derivative of f of x is equals to e power x into x square plus 1. Okay, here given function f of x is equals to e to the power x into x square plus 1 is the given function. Now we are differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Then d by dx of f of x is equals to d by dx of e power x into x square plus 1. Okay, so now f of x derivative, if we write the f of x derivative, okay, so that is called f dash of x. We write it as f dash of x, and here it is uv formula. E power x is outside and d by dx of x square plus 1, and x square plus 1 is outside and d by dx of e to the power x. D by dx of e to the power x. So what is the formula here? D by dx of uv is equals to, what is the formula, ma? U
U
outside,
d by dx v
yes,
plus v d by dx u.
yes, okay, v into d by dx of u. Okay, so here e power x as it is I am writing x square, d by dx of x square. After that here we differentiate, this d by dx is applicable for both the terms. Okay, so d by dx of x square derivative, x power 2 derivative, that is 2 into x power 2 minus 1, x power n formula, d by dx of 1 constant derivative is 0, and x square plus 1 as it is, and e power x is e power x. So here 2x it is, 2x into e to the power x, and plus x square plus 1 into e to the power x. Okay, so that is nothing but, if we take x e power x common, then 2x plus x square plus 1. Okay, either this is the answer, or we can write it as, okay, x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 whole square, a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So that means we get x square and 1 square plus 2 into x into 1 means 2x only. Okay, so either this is the answer or this is the answer. Okay, so this is the
Yes.
required solution. Okay,
Yes, sir.
find the derivative of sine mx into cos nx. So I am taking the given function as, okay, we can consider it as y or f of x. So I am taking y is equals to sine mx into cos nx, sine mx into cos nx. Now differentiating with respect to x, on both the sides, then d by dx of y is equals to d by dx of sine mx into cos nx. Okay, so now I am taking uv formula, uv. So d by dx of uv is equals to u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. Okay, so now I am applying the formula here. So dy by dx is equals to sine mx is outside. Here sine mx is outside, and d by dx of cos nx plus cos nx outside, and d by dx of sine mx. So now this is equals to sine mx into d by dx of cos formula. What is the derivative of cos? It is minus sine. So minus sine nx. Here remember here, in place of x, if I have some other function, okay, so nx here, so that means differentiate that function d by dx of nx, chain rule, internal derivative, okay, and then cos nx as it is, and sine mx derivative, d by dx of sine function is cos, so cos mx, but in place of x we have mx, so internal derivative, okay, chain rule, okay, in place of x, if we have some other function, differentiate that function again. So means we are differentiating nx here, and in the second term we are differentiating mx. Now this is equal to minus, plus and minus, writing minus as it is, and sine mx into sine nx, and nx I am differentiating nx, n into d by dx of x is 1, plus cos mx cos nx into cos mx, and mx derivative, m into x derivative is 1, So finally what we are getting here, the positive term I am writing in the static. Okay, so that means m into 1 is m into cos nx into cos mx minus n1 is n into sin mx into sin nx. Okay, this is the required solution. Okay, so here what formula we used in this? main formula in this is
d
UV
by
formula.
dx to
Yes, d by dx of UV is the main
UV.
formula in this. Okay, so that is the most important formula. Okay, so this is the final dy by dx. Finally, this is the required dy by dx value. If y is equals to x square into e power x into sin x, then find dy by dx. Okay, so here the questions we are going to discuss on UVW here. Okay, so now what is given in this question here? Given y is equals to x square into e to the power x into sin x. Okay, now I am differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides, then d by dx of y, d by dx of y is equals to d by dx of d by dx of x square into e to the power x into sin x. Okay, here we have three functions in this. Okay, u, v, w, u, v, w. When we have the three functions like this, how to differentiate? So we have the formula d by dx of u, v, w is equals to u, v, okay, into d by dx of w plus, I am differentiating w once and u and w outside, differentiating the v, d by dx of v plus v w outside and differentiating the u. Okay, or we can write in the reverse also, the u v w into d by dx of u, u w into d by dx of v plus u v into d by dx of w. So finally here we are, once we are differentiating u, once we are differentiating v, once we are differentiating w, whenever we are differentiating one function, other two functions are in the outside. Other two functions are in the outside. It is very simple. Okay, so here I am applying the same thing here, dy by dx left side as it is I am writing. Okay, uv I am writing first two terms I am writing outside and differentiating the third term d by dx of sin x plus x square into sin x is outside and we are differentiating d by dx of e to the power x and e to the power x into sin x is outside, d by dx of x square, d by dx of x square. So this is equals to x square into e power x as it is I am writing d by dx of sin x. What is d by dx of sin x? This cos x. So x square into sin x, e power x derivative is e power x plus e power x into sin x into x square derivative x power 2 it is. So 2 into x power 2 minus 1. Okay. So here we used the d by dx of x power n formula. Okay. Here if you want you write all the formula or okay. So d by dx of sin x is cos x and d by dx of e to the power x is equals to e to the power x and d by dx of x power n. Okay, d by dx of x to the power n is equals to n into x to the power n minus 1 is the formula. Okay, so now this is equals to finally what we get here, x square into e power x into cos x plus x square into sin x into e to the power x and okay here this is 2 into x power 2 minus 1, it is 2x here. Okay, so 2x into e to the power x sin x. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, either we can leave like this or otherwise we can take it common. Okay, just we can leave it like this. Find the derivative of y is equals to ax plus b divided by cx plus d. Okay, so now how I am solving this problem here? Let I am taking the given function as it is. I am writing here y is equals to ax plus b divided by cx plus d. Okay. So now differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides, then d by dx of y is equals to d by dx of ax plus b divided by cx plus d. Okay. Now I am taking u by v formula. D by dx of u by v is equals to, what is the formula? 1 by v square into v outside d by dx of u minus u outside d by dx of v. Okay. So now this is equals to dy by dx is equals to 1 by v square. What is v here? Cx plus d is the v. So 1 by cx plus d whole square into v, that is cx plus d, into d by dx of u, that is ax plus b, minus ax plus b is outside and d by dx of v it is. V is nothing but cx plus d. Now this is equals to 1 divided by cx plus d whole square is outside and cx plus d into d by dx of ax plus b. Okay. So how to differentiate this? Okay. So d by dx of ax, d by dx of b, d by dx of cx and d by dx of d. So we differentiate it like that. Okay. So that means we get it as a into d by dx of x is 1 plus b, d by dx of b constant derivative is 0, minus of ax plus b is outside, d by dx of cx, c into x derivative is 1 and constant d derivative is 0. Okay. So now this is equals to 1 divided by cx plus d whole square, into a1 is a plus 0 is a only, so a into cx plus d minus c1 is a c plus 0 is c only, c into ax plus b. Okay. So this is the required final answer. This is only the required final answer. Here what formula we used? We use d by dx of u by v formula. Once again, repeat, what is the d by dx of u by v formula?
1 by v square into v d by dx u minus u d by dx v.
Very good. Okay. So find the derivative of x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole to the power 100. Let I am taking the given function. Y is equals to x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole to the power 100. Now I am differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Okay. Here I am differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. If we differentiate, then we get the d by dx left side. D by dx of y is equals to d by dx of x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole to the power 100. I am applying x power n formula here. X, this full term is x whole to the power n. Okay. So what is d by dx of x power n here? D by dx of x to the power n formula I am applying. N into x to the power n minus 1 is the formula here. Okay. If we apply the formula, then left side we have dy by dx as it is. Okay. Then 100 into, okay, n into x to the power, that means x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole to the power 100 minus 1, n into x power n minus 1. We applied the formula. Okay, so fine. But the thing is, in place of x, we have some other function. Whenever we have some other function in place of x, we differentiate that function again. Internal derivative, chain rule. Okay. So now d by dx of x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13. We differentiate that function once again. In place of x, Okay, if we have some other function, we can apply the formula, but we have to differentiate that function once again. So then 100 into x cube plus 6x square, x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole to the power 99 into x power 3. What is the derivative of d by dx of x power 3? Okay, so we have to check it once. Okay, how to differentiate d by dx of x cube, d by dx of 6x square, d by dx of 12x, and d by dx of 13. We differentiate each and every term. So first term is 3 into x power 3 minus 1, x power n formula, plus 6 outside, x power 2, 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1, n into x power n minus 1 formula, and plus 12x we have. 12 into d by dx of x is 1 and minus d by dx of constant, 13 is a constant. Okay, so it is a 0 here. Now this is equals to 100 into x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole to the power 99 into 3x square plus 6 to the 12x plus 12. Okay, this is the required final answer. Okay, in this starting, what formula we used here? D by dx of x power n formula. This is important. After that, okay, internal derivative. Remember this. Internal derivative is also very, very important. Whenever we get some other function in place of x, we differentiate that function again. For more educational videos on CBSE, ISE, State Board and Intermediate, as well as IIT-JEE, BITSAT, EAMCET, please like, share, subscribe our VEDHA online classes. Thank you for watching. Have a great preparation.